Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Blizzard through battle.net. So let's get started right away. Now, if you have already installed the battle.net application on your device, then you can double click on it to open it and proceed with logging in using your credentials. Or you can open up your web browser and then type in battle.net in the address bar and press enter. You will now be taken into the official battle.net website. Now click on the account icon at the top right corner and then click on login. You will now be taken into the login page for Battle.net or Blizzard. You can use your Google, Facebook or other social accounts if you have added these into your account, or you can continue forth with your credentials. Type in the email address that you have used while signing up for your account and then enter your account password underneath within the password box. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged into your account on Battle.net right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the Can't Log In button and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Blizzard or battle.net. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.